Hi everyone. Oh my goodness, I am so excited to share what's in this dust bag here. Obviously, you can see that it's from Louis Vuitton, and this was gifted to me from a brand called the Luxury Outlet. So I'm just gonna go right in because I don't want to keep you guys in suspense. You can see it is monogram. Oh my gosh. So this just arrived, and this is a Speedy 30 size, the classic. And it's in the all over monogram with the vachetta leather. And it does come with a separate strap that's not from LV, but they included this matching vachetta strap. And you guys know I love different straps and chains, which is why I support Dress Up Your Purse because I get so many different straps from them. I don't know where this one is from, but it matches perfectly with the patinaed honey vachetta leather. So this will be great because you can put it on the little pieces here and make it crossbody. Now, I don't know if you guys remember, a couple of years ago, I had purchased a Speedy 25 in the monogram from Fashion File. And it was great, but in the end, I decided I wanted to go with Damier Ebene and I let it go. I had a really hard time finding nice quality, no defect Speedies from Louis Vuitton, the boutique. So that's why I went the pre-loved route. Well, I had said at the time that if I ever came across another Speedy in monogram that was more vintage or pre-loved that I could sort of spa and refurbish, I would love to do that. Well, this came along when the Luxury Outlet reached out to me. I did my own research and I discovered that they're based in New Jersey, so they're fairly local, just about an hour out from where I am here in the city. And I loved what I saw on their website as well as on their Instagram. So they've got a decent following. And you can see here, this one includes the lock as well. You guys know I have the 25 bandolier Damier Ebene, and I have the 35 bandolier Damier Ebene. So I'll do a quick comparison of size, and I'm so excited that I can do future videos doing more in-depth reviews and comparisons for you guys. This size is actually quite perfect. I have never really considered a 30, but I can see why it is the most popular size among all the classic Speedies. And I can see how the zipper is more generous as well. The opening here, because the 25 is definitely shorter. So let me tell you about the Luxury Outlet. This is not a sponsored video. I don't receive any form of payment for this video, so this is an honest review based on my experience. But this was gifted to me. This bag was gifted to me, okay? So I just want to be fully transparent about that. And it is made in France. Don't know if you can see that. It has definitely some wear on the handles. I'm gonna see if I can experiment with maybe wiping this down and getting it a little bit cleaned up, but otherwise it's in really good condition, you guys. I'm shocked. And the prices that I saw on the Luxury Outlet website were super reasonable. And beyond the prices, I will say that they have launched this subscriber program, which I find to be fascinating. So what they do is they allow you to subscribe to their program for only 99 cents a month. Yeah, basically $1 a month. And that qualifies you to be enrolled in exclusive giveaways that they do on Instagram. I actually saw a bunch of the giveaways that they did, super generous. They also have these $1 auctions. This is just more of a fun way to try to grab what it is that you want. So subscribers and only subscribers will have access to these monthly auctions that start at $1. Literally $1. So you can get lucky and pick up a Speedy for a really, really low price, right? And then the subscribers from this program are also going to receive more big discounts, meaning like 30, 40, 50, up to 60% off of the prices that are listed on their website. So if you go onto their website, you'll see an assortment of items that are available at the moment. It's a pretty tight inventory, so I kind of like that. It gives a more curated approach, not like this vast inventory that no one keeps track of. I like that it's a little bit more manageable, and I feel that there's actually humans behind this business. So I kind of like that, whereas I feel some of the bigger pre-loved sites have kind of gotten out of hand. That's my personal opinion. You'll notice on the site that they have the original price that it's listed for, and then you also have the subscriber price. So you can get it as a discount, basically, if you're within their program. Look at this Speedy. I have to see what the date code is. I want to see how old this bag is. Oh my gosh, you guys, I looked up the date code on the LV Authenticator site, and it's April 1999 from France. So this bag is 25 years old, pretty much exactly 25 years old since it's April 2024 now. How cool. And April is the wedding anniversary month for us. So there's significance, the month of April. And I don't know, I just love that this is a vintage piece that is over 2 decades old, has life to it and history to it. You guys know I converted to really loving the idea of pre-loved a couple of years ago when I went on my hunt for Chanel classic flaps. And since then, I've always just really enjoyed the option of shopping pre-loved. It's much more sustainable, but also you have more options. It's more budget friendly usually, and you get to choose exactly what you want, what condition, you know, whatever budget your is. It's different from going to a boutique and just picking from what there is or being offered something that's, you know, kind of out of your control. So I love that the secondhand, vintage, pre-loved luxury market has really grown, and that there are these smaller companies that are doing things like this. And the subscriber program is so clever. For 99 cents, you have all this access. So look at that zipper, so smooth. You guys know how picky I am. Okay, I really want to compare this 30 size with my other Speedies because I've never had a chance to do that. I'm so happy to finally have a monogram Speedy like this in my collection, and the fact that it's vintage makes it even better. So let me grab my other Speedies, but in the meantime, let me share with you also that I have my Italo ring on and my Italo bangle, the knot bangle. I've had this since last year, and this portion of the video is kindly sponsored by Italo. They've sent me a few new pieces that I want to share with you. If you're looking for something that's like everyday, fuss-free, low-maintenance jewelry that you don't have to worry about, I think Italo is a great option for you to explore. So let me open this one. This is the pair of earrings that I explicitly chose. I did a poll on my Instagram, a photo of this, and I said, what do you guys think? And about 80% of you said yes. So I chose these here. Let me just take this off. It's wrapped really securely. All of the Italo pieces come packaged really nicely, so if you wanted to gift them to yourself or to someone else, it's nicely done. So these are the earrings. They're like these oversized roses, basically. They look like roses to me. And these are all lab-grown sapphires. So let's see. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I feel like this could pass for a high-end luxury jewelry brand that would be thousands of dollars, but in fact, it is so much more affordable. So I'll give you a close-up here. The sparkle. How gorgeous is that detail? I love fine jewelry, but I also love mid-range jewelry that you can travel with, that you don't have to worry about, unwanted attention. You don't have to worry about losing it. So I just think this is such a pretty pair of earrings. Then these are super, super fun, you guys. As soon as I saw these on the Italo website, I was like, yes. So it goes in like this. This is the post. So this goes in the front of the ear, and then this part dangles. I just feel like this pair of earrings with just a simple white tee or button up and some jeans and maybe even like sneakers, Converse sneakers even to dress it down, or you can make it really elegant with a black dress. I just think it's so fun, the dangly. I also noticed this card that came with the packaging. It looks like they launched a new membership program with some benefits to accumulate points. So if you are a regular customer of Italo, you can redeem points for dollars, save some money, get exclusive discounts. So I thought that was pretty cool one to share. Also, all of their jewelry comes with care kits and polishing cloths and all this information. The return window is 60 days, so it's pretty generous. So let me show you the last piece here. Right here, it is a ring, and it's so sparkly. You can see right out of the box. So I have been really into gemstones and stones, like rocks even. Since I was a little kid, I had a rock collection. It was a hobby of mine. And lately I've been getting into quartz, and I've been contemplating putting some large pieces of clear quartz around our home. I say this all because this piece right here reminds me of quartz. I know it's not, but it has that clear, sparkly, kind of like clean look to it. It's like a purifying look. I think that's why I'm drawn to clear quartz. So this right here is just this really pretty ring. You can see, wow, it's pretty blingy. I love how it's flat because it will lay against the finger and not get caught on things. So let's just see. On my index finger. So it's yellow gold plated. Oh my gosh. I like it. I'm going to take this off. I got it in a 6.5 because typically when I get a 6.5 or a 6, I try to wear it both on my middle finger and also on my index finger, just for, options to come play around with it. But look at that. It's not even super sunny right now, but the light is catching at every little angle. You can see there's like a prism. It's a nice size as well. And it's super fun and it's blingy, and I can wear this every day, also for travel, going out, you know, to restaurants, wherever, and I don't have to fuss about it versus like wearing my engagement ring, for example. So I want to share those. I want to say thank you to Italo for sponsoring this portion of the video. I'll link everything down below, including a promo code to save 20%. Code is hellocatwalkcity. Again, 20% off your order. So I'll put that all in the description box below. Let me know what you think. I always feel like whenever there's affordable options, whether it be with handbags, fashion, jewelry, it's nice to be able to just share because everyone's at a different budget level and we all have different preferences. So back to the Speedies. Here is my Mama Jama, my bandolier 35 size in the demi ibin, and then here is my baby. It's not really a baby, it fits a lot, but this is my bandolier 25 size demi ibin again. So let's see if I can put them in a row. Wow, so this is what it looks like. 25, 30, 35. Oh my goodness, she fits right in. Yeah, so this is great as a crossbody. Just throw everything in. It's my all-weather rainy day bag because the canvas is so durable and water resistant, as will be the case for all of these. And this has been more of a travel bag, which I honestly have been neglecting ever since I got my MZ Wallace gym bag for travel, but it's just so beautiful, so I've been hanging on to it. Now this, I feel like, surprisingly, I think the 30 is like the Goldilocks size. I thought the 25 would be, but this just looks so good. And you can see the zipper length as well. So a lot of times people will say that the zipper on the 25 is tight. I am okay with it, but I notice that when I put in my umbrella or a hardcover book, then I have to really like shimmy it in because yeah, it's not super generous, the opening. But definitely the 30 has more length on the zipper, as you can see. Look at that. I'd say a good 1.5 inches, maybe even 2 inches, which makes a pretty big difference because as you can see, if I put my hand in, I've got all this room, all this space. So, oh my gosh, it's so good. Let me know if you have any experience with doing DIY spas or refurbishment. There's not much that I need to do. I'm really surprised by the condition. I thought it was honestly going to be a lot more beat up looking. I was not sure what to expect, but you can see the piping looks really good. The canvas, you guys, I will say, and we've talked about this before, the quality of Louis Vuitton canvas, just quality overall in luxury brands has gone down. That is a fact. The canvas here is definitely thicker. It definitely is thicker than the newer ones. Now I'm happy with my newer Speedies, but I've had people mention how the older Speedies or just the older LV canvas in general is more durable, more thick, and you can see it's also like glossy. That might just be from use, but it looks really good. This is some nice canvas right here. So that's another reason why a lot of people opt for pre-loved, because not only do you have a lot of options and it could be much more budget friendly, but the quality. And when you look at the older bags, you will notice, if you look carefully, that they're generally constructed out of better materials and the craftsmanship is also better. So I'm so happy. I sometimes see older ladies with their monogram Speedies in particular, the classic ones without the bandolier, just walking the streets, walking the airports, and I'm thinking, that looks so good. This is a classic that will never, ever go out of style. And if you go onto the luxury outlet website, you'll see so many great pieces at amazing prices. I notice right now they have a nice selection of pochette accessoires. And you guys know that original design of the pochette accessoire has been discontinued, and LV has revamped it, added some bells and whistles to it, and then jacked up the price. So if you're looking for the original, you guys know I have the original, I love it. The luxury outlet has a few options, and I think that the prices are more than fair. Plus, if you sign up to be a subscriber in that program that they're offering, you could participate in greater discounts and also the $1 auctions. Imagine I score something for $1 or even like $10. All right, please let me know what videos you would like me to make, maybe styling videos or more in-depth comparison videos, what fits inside videos. I am happy to now make a ton of videos with my new Speedy 30 in monogram, so please let me know in the comments below. Be sure to check my description box for additional information. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.